So students, today we are starting with the topic of scenario manager in Excel. Many a times we are having the situation when the company is having any decision making which is having multiple possibilities, right? So multiple possibilities of the variables give a different kind of output, and the company wants to do what? They want to weigh in all kinds of options and to find out which is the best solution for the organization, right? So for that, we are using one special function of MS Excel that is called Scenario Manager. So I'm starting with a very, very simple example. Any family which is having a monthly budget, right? So on that budget, there are two sides. One is the income side, the other one is your expenses side. On the income side, the family is having three different variables. Variables are your salary. Variables include your salary, interest, and rental income for the family. And on the expenses side, we are having five variables. It could be food, transport, school fee, medical, and miscellaneous expenses. The total of the income that we can see from this chart, the total of the income for this family is 24,500 rupees. On the right side, we are having the expenses side, which is having this value 20,500 rupees, right? So what is the saving? The simple calculation that I have done, that is equal to B7 minus D7. Okay. So what is the saving percentage? Saving percentage for the family, it will be equal to saving divided by total income multiplied by 100. That is a simple formula for mathematics. So what happens now? The family wants to explore the options, how they can actually plan their family budget, right? So there are four members in the family, and all of them, they are having their own versions. They are having their own opinions. What should be the family budget? So for that, what we are doing, simply select the data option on the top, and then there is an option for what if analysis in the data tools. Then we go to scenario manager. I hope you can see this small dialog box on the screen. Here we have the option to add a new scenario. Simply click on add, and we can define, okay, this is the current budget that we are having, and I want to have the different versions of it. Maybe the father in the family wants to have a different version of this budget. By changing the cell, I can select which cell they want to change, maybe the income side also, and some of the cells from, but some of the cells from your expenses side also. Simply select OK. Now it is asking me, cell number B2, right now the value is 20,000. Can the father do something? Maybe the father is ready to go for some overtime, so the income of the family will increase. It may go to like 25,000 rupees. Interest he's not going to change. The rental income he's not going to change. Maybe the food part, he is interested in getting some more food items for the family, so he's ready to expand the food income, food expenses to 12,000 rupees. On the transportation side, maybe the father wants to have some reduction in it, so he's reducing that to 1,500 rupees. School fees there, so maybe he wants the children to go for some special hobby classes, so he's ready to pay some more money, maybe increasing the school fee or the total academic fee to 5,000 rupees. And the miscellaneous also, he's ready to increase the miscellaneous expenses from 5,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees. Okay, so we'll define it as the scenario from father. One more scenario, maybe the mother in the family wants to change some of the cells. Again, by default it is showing the same cells, B2 to B4, and then the expense side also it is showing D2 to D6. Okay, so what the mother wants to do, mother doesn't want the father to do some extra time. overtime work. So what happens? So the salary side remains the same. Expenses side, the mother also wants to increase the grocery expenses. So maybe 10,000 to 12,000 rupees. And maybe transport, she doesn't want to reduce the money. She is ready to reduce the miscellaneous. Miscellaneous could be the hobby, movie going, restaurant and other things. So she's ready to compromise on that. Then there is a son in the family also, who is also willing to have some changes in the variables. So one more variable that he's going to change, maybe salary part he's not going to change, but yes, he can take some tuitions. So he's ready to go for some extra tuitions for the smaller kids. So maybe he's increasing that salary part to 22,000 rupees. And in the food part also, he wants to enjoy some more delicacies at home. So increasing that food to 15,000 rupees. And maybe the movie part and all kinds of leisure activities, he wants to increase it to 7,000 rupees. So these are the three versions of the same budget that we are having with us. I'll simply click on summary. Scenario summary. What is a scenario summary? I have the two cells which are having my result. One is the savings, the other one is savings percentage. Okay. So there is some problem. I'll simply delete this and select again. Okay. So this is the summary that has been prepared for my scenario. I hope you can see this properly. So these are the current values which are being shown here. So in this current situation, the saving was 4,000 rupees and that saving percentage was 16.32. Then the second version of it, that is the father's opinion. So it is showing the saving of 3,000 rupees and the expenses savings percentage 10.1%. In case of mother, it is showing almost the same, although there are some changes in the variables. And then in the son's case, it is showing a loss of 1,000 rupees, and we are able to now compare what are the four different scenarios and how they are going to have repercussions in my business. Okay, so this kind of chart is going to help the organization in finding out how the different versions of the same variables are going to impact the overall performance of the company. Okay,